friends, hope you are all doing good. I am Sarita from Ruchira Handmade Jewellery. Today's tutorial is about fabric earring. So the first fabric, if we have to see, is believed to be a felt fabric, which is produced by a method called matting, condensing and pressing the fibers together. So felt can be of natural wool, artificial synthetic fibers or wood-based rayon. Ever since the fabric is introduced, man has woven them into a pieces of jewelry to enhance his looks. So fabric jewelry has from glittery traditional wear to classy western accessories. Fabric has it all. So different variety of fabric is used in modern days. Silk, cotton, kamalkari prints and many other fabric is being used. So in today's tutorial, I am showing you how we can make with items we have at home. You just need to have a basic items for jewelry. Apart from that, anybody will have at home. Like I am using a cloth. See, what I feel many of the time, we will have when you take a salwar, you have the sleeves. So few of the time we never use it, but you can really make a good jewelry in that, and no one will be able to make out that this is made from a waste cloth. So please do give it a try, and let's see the tutorial. Thank you so much.
So I have the fabric cloth here. Using coins in cardboard, I made mark with the help of a coin and made two circular coin shape, and two smaller pieces we need for attaching on back side at later stage. We have few head pin, eye pin, ear hook, metallic ball, and these are acrylic beads. So smaller acrylic beads, few jump rings. So fabric glue and a divider for making hole for the clasp, and these are the pliers we need. So first take the bigger cloth, place the cardboard and apply fabric glue and paste it. You just need a ½ inch extra than the size of the cardboard what you have cut. Now apply some more glue and place the smaller cloth piece to cover it so that it looks neat on back side also. Don't worry if there is extra glue, that will dry. So make similar way the other piece as well. So now we have both done. So we'll take the big bead and we'll make a loop and attach to our fabric. So I took first a metallic bead and the red bead and metallic. Make a small loop, simple loop. Similarly, you need to make for the here I have used the head pins. For the smaller one, use the eye pins and make a hole on both the sides. Opposite direction you need to do exactly. Leave quarter-inch space and make a hole. Now attach jump rings on both the sides. Gum is still raw, so it's just not going through properly, but nothing to worry. Even if it comes out, you can just it will dry it out and or apply little bit gum and it will dry it. So attach the jump rings on the other side also. So we need to add the bead. Tighten it, the loop. So now we need to add the smaller one. So we already attached the jump ring. So add the small one to the clasp and attach it to the jump ring. Then our earring is done. So that's it. This is very simple. Make the other one similarly, and we have our pretty earrings ready. Thanks for watching. I'll just
Hey guys,
come back and wear
welcome
and
back.
show you this.
Hope you enjoyed watching the tutorial. I'm wearing the earring right now. Let me know in the comment section if you like this. Please share with your friends. I've also made 2 more earrings. So this is the one. You can see in my intro video also. So this is square shape. Just the shape is different, method is same. I have used here a metal bead which is covered with a bead cap. And one more is the one. So here you can see I have used semi pearl, and here bead cap, and below is a pearl hanging. So please do try and make one for yourself. Thank you.